It's absolutely breathtaking. The yacht has been radically transformed over the past 4 to 5 months. And I would say that it would be hard to envisage, what she looked like before her refit. But fortunately, we've documented that refit along the way in multiple stages, and you all are in for a real treat today. Hard just to give a quick soundbite as far as all of the work that's been done, but it's everything from teak treatment, engine room detailing, a new stereo system, new AV, lots of new artwork, got new countertops basically throughout. All of the bathrooms have been dramatically refitted. The master bathroom is one for the ages now. All new toilets, so going all over the place, but that was the nature of this refit. Effectively, every surface got touched, and anyone who looks at these pictures and videos will get a good sense of it, but there's no substitute for getting on board and seeing for yourself. I see an experienced yachtsman being drawn to this boat. Obviously, be able to see and feel the magic on board Eleonora. I think it's somebody who's owned a few boats that will ultimately be her next owner.